Alright folks, buckle up. Today I'm diving into a topic that's often shrouded in mystery and intrigue, the fascinating world of money printing. And yes, we're going to do it with some 3D magic. Ready? Let's roll. First up, let's go back in time. Picture this. It's the 7th century in China, where the first banknotes were born. Fast forward to today, and we've got sophisticated machines producing bills faster than you can say cha-ching. Now let's break it down step by step. Our journey begins with the design phase. Imagine a team of super talented artists and designers sketching out intricate patterns and hidden security features. It's like creating a masterpiece that's both beautiful and functional. Once the design is approved, it's off to the printing presses. But hold up, it's not just any ordinary paper. This is a special blend of cotton and linen, making it durable and secure. Fun fact: US dollars are made of 75% cotton and 25% linen. Next, the magic of intaglio printing happens. Picture a giant high-pressure roller pressing the ink into the paper. This gives our money that unique texture you can feel with your fingertips. Seriously, give it a rub next time you have a bill in hand. And then, it's time for some high-tech wizardry. The application of security features. We're talking holograms, watermarks, and color-shifting inks. These are the guardians against counterfeiters. Ever noticed how a bill changes color when you tilt it? Yep, that's the magic in action. But we're not done yet. The sheets go through inspections more thorough than airport security. Any tiny imperfection, and it's back to square one. Quality control is serious business here. Finally, the sheets are cut into individual bills and bundled up for distribution. And just like that, ta-da! Fresh, crisp money ready to enter the economy. Whoa, what a journey, right? From design to your wallet, each bill goes through an incredible transformation. And now, next time you hold a note, you'll know the magic behind its creation. Thanks for sticking around, folks. If you enjoyed this 3D dive into the world of money printing, give a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments what other magical processes you'd like to explore. See you in the next video.